Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I'm going to show you a quick way to paint a flower, and you don't even have to be artistically inclined. So let's get started. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites, and please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell to receive notice when I post new videos. To do this painting of a flower that anyone can do, I first painted my artboard in this tropical blue color. You can paint your background any color you like. And I have some white acrylic paint, and I just watered it down a little bit because you want the white to be just a little bit more watered down than the center. So I'm going to pour a puddle of white here on my board. And I'll show you a little trick later on how to decide how much to water down your paint. So now I have red, and you can make the center of your flower any color you like. And I'm going to use this color, Pure, because I want it to be thicker than the white. I don't want it to spread as much as the white. And now I have a drinking straw, and I'm going to blow on this paint, and I'm going to make flower petals. Okay, so I'm going to place my straw just on the edge of the red, and I'm going to blow in a radiating circle all the way around. Place the straw right on the edge of the red. Now move it over. And there you go. That's the basic flower. And I'm just going to take a little bit of red on a stick, and I'm just going to do a few little splatters on the outside edge. And I'll do the same with the white. Now if you don't like that big splatter, you take a clean brush and you can just lift that off. And just dab a little bit of the blue over it again. And there you go. Now you can set that aside to dry. And you want to put veins in your flower, you can take the straw and just draw a line through each one of these petals. You just pour a little bit on a plastic lid or a palette, and then you check to see if you can move it around with the straw and the air. So that's how you can test to see if your paint is thin enough. Okay, I let the painting dry. It's nice and dry now. I'm going to take a Sharpie marker, and I'm going to add some details to my painting. So I'm just going to follow along the outside of these petals. And then I'm just going to make some little circles here in the center. And there you go. There's the finished flower painting. I hope you'll try this technique and see what you can turn out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.